Football lovers, welcome to my family. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs confirmed signing. Kaizer Chiefs are making clear statements. All three new signings are exporters, bringing European pedigree to natural. Taylor Silva, a powerful striker who come through the Pesnat Basaka Academy. Etienne Calasta, the creative maestro from Portugal in England, with a sharp eye for goal and pass. Nkayiso Shinga, a high-rated midfielder, groomed at the Stapa Portugal's football school of discipline and field. This isn't just a business. This is a statement of interest. Killer Chiefs are making big wave for the next season. For more football news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Killer Chiefs.